So Yugansh is a chartered accountant.
Yeah.
He's 31.
So 31. Right?
Yeah. So Yugansh, walk us through your journey of the stock market, because we would first like to hear about what do you do and what's your journey. Are you a full-time practicing chartered accountant?
Hello, everyone. My name is Yugansh Agarwal. I'm from Amritsar, and I'm a practicing chartered accountant by profession. So before I joined last year in July 2023, before COVID, I was a long-term investor and I traded based on fundamentals. And after COVID, we got a lot of time. तो सबके पास time था. तो I used to follow Twitter handles and all the. तो फिर उधर से मुझको options का पता चला. तो I used to see the screenshots of all the traders. तो मेरे को था कि मैं भी कुछ ट्राई करूं ऑप्शंस में. तो आई फर्स्ट डिड ऑप्शन बाइंग में ट्राई किया. तो फिर वहां पे ऐसा था कि कुछ मैंने ट्रायल किसी का ट्रायल लिया था. तो वहां पे ट्रायल तो अच्छा रहा. फिर बाद में मैंने उसकी सब्सक्रिप्शन ले ली. तो फिर सब्सक्रिप्शन लेके तो लॉसेस होते रहे. तो आई यूज्ड टू अर्न 15 पॉइंट्स एंड आई लॉस्ट ऑलमोस्ट 100 पॉइंट्स. तो वो काफ़ी लॉस हो गया. तो फिर मैंने पता चला, फिर ऑप्शन सेलिंग के बारे में पता चला. तो वहाँ पे आई अर्न पीनट्स और अमाउंट बहुत टाइम बहुत इन्वेस्ट किया था, बट जो कमाया वो बहुत कम था.
टिप्स में कितने पैसे दिए? Because he is also a chartered accountant. I was also at one point in time I was studying for CA, and I also paid a lot of money to get tips from experts.
So I paid around 5 to 7,000 to two Telegram channels. तो मेरे को समझ आ गया कि नहीं, ये नहीं करना. एंड कुछ कोई ऐसा मेंटर चाहिए. तो आई वाज ऑलरेडी फॉलोइंग अफजल सर कि फिर मैंने देखा नहीं, मुझे कोई मेंटर चाहिए जो हमें पूरा स्ट्रक्चर बताए कि कैसे इसको करना है हमें. तो दैट्स फिर आई वाज ज्वाइंड लास्ट ईयर अफजल सर.
But it's interesting because being a chartered accountant, yet he got attracted to these experts, being an expert himself in some way. So it happened with me as well. When I started trading in 2000, in around 2014-15, in those years like 2014 to 2018, I also paid a good sum of money. I was a premium subscriber to the to these platforms. So I'll just for those who don't know, like who have never paid money to tips, for those who are lucky, उनको क्या किया जाता है, उनको क्या ट्रेनिंग दी जाती है? दे आर गिवन लेट्स से 500 नंबर्स इन अ डे, कि ये 500 नंबर है जो एक्टिवली ट्रेडिंग करते हैं मार्केट में. और उनका काम ये होता है कि जैसे अभी इंडेक्स फ्यूचर्स है, राइट? सो व्हाट दे डू इज 250 लोगों को बोलेंगे बाय बैंक निफ्टी, और 250 लोग को बोलेंगे सेल बैंक निफ्टी. ये उसकी मोडस ऑपरेंडी होती है. उसके पहले वो पिच कैसे करते हैं आपको. अब जो 500 में से 250 लोगों को जिसको बाय करवाया, अगर बैंक निफ्टी ऊपर गया है तो 250 लोगों को मजा आ जाएगा. फिर दूसरे दिन वही चीज़ करेगा, 500 में 250 को बाय, 250 को सेल. आधे लोग तो पहले ही दिन में पिघल जाएंगे. जो 250 जिसका सही पड़ा वो पहले दिन में पिघल जाएंगे, मेरे जैसे जो उस टाइम पे था मैं. और अगर दूसरे दिन भी सही हो गया तो फिर मैं ही जाके बोलूँगा कि भाई क्या चार्ज है तुम्हारे. तो ये मेरे साथ हुआ था. सो या got a bit off track. Yeah. So you can also talk about the returns that you hit in the last quarter.
Last quarter I earned 18.55%. Overall I'm above 40%, 40 to 45% on the capital from the last year. And it has been great. The system developed, I'm very grateful to sir that the system has been very great, and it opened new perspectives for me in the trading, and how I watch the chart, and it opened great perspectives.
And what's the value with which we are trading right now?
I'm last year I was trading with around 5 lakhs, and in the January I put up around 20 lakhs. So I'm trading total with 25, including around 25 to 30 lakhs in between.
Okay. And you are taking leverage, or you are just trading on?
Yeah, I'm trading leverage.
Taking leverage.
Yeah.
Great. So that's a good journey. He has just started off and he's on the right track. He's learning stuff and getting better. So before we let him go, we can discuss his top trades, right?
Yeah. My top trades last quarter were, first one was MTNL, and I earned around 8.7 R.
So everybody knows the entry in MTNL. This was one of the stocks, FOMO stocks.
Yeah.
So either you love it or hate it.
I was actually tracking. I was already tracking that. It was in my watch list, but
but I could not trade. So his entry was here. Everybody knows the arrow is marked, right? That was the entry. That was the entry right after the beautiful contraction that happened. Okay, and the stock simply shot up. Now we'll discuss this this stock in my presentation as well. In spite of the fact that this stock belongs to the subsequent quarter, just to demonstrate the exits. You captured around 8R, right?
Yeah, 8
But now with the exits that we are discussing right now, are you confident that you are going to capture more?
Yeah, I'm very confident. Like actually, I attended Delhi meetup, and after Delhi meetup, मेरे को मतलब स्टॉक ज्यादा होल्ड करने का टाइम मेरे को पता चला. मैंने तो पहले मैं क्या होता था 2 आवर पे एग्जिट कर देता था, फिर 4 आवर, फिर 6 आवर पे मैं कंप्लीटली आउट हो जाता था. बट अब I will hold for a longer period of time. My average holding period will be increased. First, it was around 10 to 15 days. Now I hold around 30 days.
Yes. So he is able to spot good stocks. He spotted MTNL. The other stocks that he has mentioned is IIFL Securities. So open up the chart of IIFL. IIFL. So MTNL moved up by 130% in just 14 days, right?
Yeah,
So it was a crazy move.
But I couldn't exit. It was going a lower circuits, तो कुछ दिन में exit नहीं कर पाया. बाद में जब lower circuit में time मिला तो फिर वो जब order place हुआ तो order got तो फिर sell हुआ था तभी.
So IIFL Securities was also a good trade. So I think you would have traded near the end of that base, right?
Yeah, right. On then around 9th August.
Yes.
Yeah, no. Yeah, this one. Yeah.
You mentioned
9th.
16th of August.
Yeah, that will be 16th.
16th of August.
Yeah.
Yeah, so that was a pretty good entry. And also this stock also performed very nice. It moved up by 105% in 60 days.
Yeah.
So that was also a crazy move.
Yeah.
But again, with the exit guidelines, if you stick to the exit guidelines, you'll be
I
able
would
to
have held
capture
longer.
you would be capturing a lot better part of it, and you'd still be holding the stock.
I'm still holding the stock. Still, it is going good.
So yeah, are you holding or no?
No, I'm
Yeah,
just.
so that's a mistake.
Yeah, that's a
Right?
mistake. Right.
You should still hold the stock based on the exit system.
Yeah, sure.
Right? And the last one was BDL. So the entry was in on 15th of April. Yes. So it was a nice entry as well. And it presented another opportunity
Yeah.
there.
Around-
Mid-May.
Yeah,
Around-
after end of the May.
Yeah. Towards the end of the May.
Mid
I
of
think.
May. Mid of May. Before the 3-4 upper candles, green candle. After this.
After the pullback.
Yeah,
Yeah,
this-
before that bar.
Before this candle. This
that
candle.
one.
Yeah.
So it also gave a pyramiding opportunity. And this stock shot up by 90% in 36 days. So that was also a great move.
Great. Yeah.
So you're able to capture good stocks.
Yeah.
You're spotting great setups, great stocks
Thank
that
you.
produce good moves. Now it's all about holding
for
and managing
them.
the stocks. So
Yeah,
once
right.
you figure that out, you'll be on another level.
Yeah.
And that's what I expect. Quarterly performance is good. We are awarding the winners, and we're doing this to motivate everybody and also congratulate them. And it brings positivity within the club. But the real performance is when you do it on an annual basis. So I'm interested in people who are performing consistently on an annual basis year on year. Okay. So I'm sure we are going to have a lot more people in the next meetup because that will be a year end. And we're going to have people who have performed good 40, 50, 60, 80, 90, 100% on a yearly basis. That's even a better performance for me. Okay. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, sir.